Okay, let's delve a little bit into some of your past lives, or give some hints and clues regarding your past life. Maybe you've had some signs and messages regarding one or more of your past lives. Maybe some of the messages that come out today will make sense to you regarding your current life. Okay, um, so maybe it will all intertwine. Maybe you'll come to a better understanding. Collective messages, messages for the collective, please. Wait a minute. Messages for the collective. Sorry about that. That card was definitely meant to come out. Messages for the collective. Please explain some of their past lives. We have Greco-Roman, Greco-Roman. So maybe someone is going to go to Rome at some point, and maybe this has some sort of significance in regards to your past life or past lives. Um, Now, you may bring home to you some memories, some subconscious memories, and the universe conscious may bring to light some new messages or downloads to you. And this could speak of travel as well. Okay, building the ruins. I heard ruins. Yeah, so definitely ruins. Something to do with ruins. Maybe someone's kundalini. Okay, maybe it's in regards to someone's sexual health. Okay. Hmm. Maybe it's in ruins. Maybe it's not at its best phase in life. Yeah, I heard the word phase. Um, you have to wrap it round. Wrap it round. Okay, wrap it up. Wrap it up. Safe sex. Okay. So that's the current message. But maybe in your past life, obviously, you didn't look after your sexual health very well. All right, and it broke down, and it ruined your kundalini. Okay. Here we have biblical. Okay. Something to do with religious matters, religious affairs from your past life. Maybe that's come or brought back into your current life. All right. Okay, building work, building. Maybe you tried to. Someone may have built something in their past life. They were a builder, craftsman. Okay, craftsman. Can you see? Craftsman. Um, Empty. Maybe try to delve into the mysteries of hidden worlds before in your past life, and something to do with transparency, transparent, see through, or empty. Um, Maybe something to do with poverty or just clothing that someone wore. Maybe in your past life, your clothes. Maybe in this life, you're more when it in regards to clothes. you're more assertive or more um, focused in regards to how you dress, whereas in your past life it may not have so much been the case. This is vows, okay? Vows. So some vows were made in your past life, some vows, okay? Um, Maybe some vows regarding religious matters, religious affairs. Um, Vows between two people. Maybe that flame is still ignited. Maybe you have someone in your current life who was actually one of your partners or partnerships in your past life. Winning, and you shall succeed, you shall win. Okay, regarding this union in your current life. Okay, any more? One more? Or is that it? Stephen, thank you. Collective messages. Last card that came out, karmic relationships. See? So it's to do with your relationship in a union, a romantic union. Alright, so that's your confirmation. Maybe your woman or your man, partner, whoever they may be, they like the nice things in life. Okay, nice bags, nice purses. And you're a hard worker, maybe. Um, Something to do with weaponry. Maybe that resonates with you. Okay. An aircraft, weaponry. Okay. Glass bombs. Okay. All right then. Thank you for listening.